Hey Siri, open Siri settings.
Here are my settings.
I like to have all three of those checked. I'm going to change the voice of Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Then I want to make sure I have the selections that I want in the Siri responses. I can even have it show Siri captions and show the speech that I am asking. If I go back here and I do announce calls, I want to choose headphones and car because that's what I want to use it. Announce notifications. And I can come down here and let's say I want, so if I went down to maps and I can choose on, announce notifications for the Maps app. Go back. If I want to clear out all of the Siri dictation history, I can just click on that and click delete. And let's get to using Siri. Hey Siri, change my nickname to la 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 la.
Okay, you'd like me to call you la 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 la.
So if I click
Okay, la 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 it is.
Alright, so if we want that to actually be more beneficial, I can choose to do a name and a phone number. Hey Siri, change my nickname.
What would you like me to call you?
J phone 777 777 7777.
Okay, you'd like me to call you JPhone 777 777-7777.
Perfect. So now, even at the lock screen, I can have, if somebody finds my phone, they can easily ask who the phone is. Hey Siri, who owns this phone?
I believe this iPhone belongs to JPhone 777 777 7777.
Hey Siri, what is the weather today?
It's currently clear and 82 degrees. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting tonight.
Hey Siri, 7-day weather forecast.
Expect cloudy skies, thunderstorms, and some clear skies for the next 7 days. Daytime temperatures will fluctuate between 82 degrees and 91 degrees.
Hey Siri, read last text message.
You have recent messages from 32858. 32858. Set on demand token code. 14,014,481 expires after use or 5 minutes.
Hey Siri, find coffee near me.
One possibility is in W Coffee on North El Mirage Road. Do you want that one?
Hey Siri, what time is Costco open today?
One option is Costco Glendale Warehouse on 79th Ave in Glendale. Does that one sound good?
Hey Siri, remind me to call the wife when I get to Costco.
Which location? Done.
Hey Siri, get directions home.
Getting directions to home.
Hey Siri, where's my iPhone?
I can't tell if your iPhone is nearby. Should I try to play a sound on it anyway? Okay, you can check its most recent location in the Find My app.
Hey Siri, where's a great place to find Mexican?
The highest rated option I found is Caliente Mexican Grill in Hayden Road in Scottsdale, which averages 5.0 stars. Does that one sound good?
Hey Siri, where's the closest gas station?
The closest one I found is Circle K on.
Hey Siri, when is Christmas?
Christmas Day is on Saturday, December 25th, 2021.
Hey Siri, how many days till Christmas?
It's 92 days until then.
Hey Siri, what's the news today?
Here's the latest news from NPR.
Live from NPR News, I'm Shay Stevens.
Hey Siri, what football games are on?
There are 16 NFL games for Week 3.
Hey Siri, show me the Minnesota Vikings roster.
There are 75 players on the Vikings. You can also ask me about a specific player or position. Quarterback, Kirk Cousins.
Hey Siri, how's Apple stock doing today?
Apple was up 0.67% yesterday, trading at $146.83.
Hey Siri, compare Apple stock and Microsoft stock.
At market close.
Hey Siri, convert 3 cups to ounces.
3 cups is 24 fluid ounces.
Hey Siri, how much sugar is in a can of Coke?
Here's an answer from wikipedia.org.
Hey Siri, how do you say apple in Spanish?
I found 2 ways to say apple in Spanish. If you mean common red tree fruit with white flesh, you say manzana. If you mean tree that grows common red fruit, manzano.
Hey Siri, what languages do you translate?
I can translate from English into Arabic, Brazilian Portuguese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Mandarin Chinese, Russian, and Spanish.
Hey Siri, turn off Wi-Fi.
Okay, I turned Wi-Fi off.
Hey Siri, turn Wi-Fi back on.
Okay, I turned Wi-Fi on.
Hey Siri, take a screenshot. Hey Siri, turn on flashlight.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
Hey Siri, turn flashlight off.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
Hey Siri, turn on dark mode.
Okay, dark mode is now on.
Hey Siri, turn dark mode off.
Okay, dark mode is now off.
Hey Siri, screen brightness 100%.
Okay, this is as bright as it gets.
Hey Siri, screen brightness 50%.
Okay, I made the screen darker.
Hey Siri, 50% volume.
Okay, I changed it.
Hey Siri, low power mode.
Okay, low power mode is now on.
Hey Siri, battery.
Battery is at 61%.
Hey Siri, enable airplane mode.
Okay, I turned airplane mode on.
Hey Siri, learn how to pronounce my name.
You can change how I say people's names by adding a phonetic name in the Contacts app.
Hey Siri, laundry timer shortcut.
How many minutes for the laundry?
2 minutes.
Okay.
And that's how you control Siri with dozens of awesome tips. You guys have an amazing day. Make sure you get subscribed, and you all have an amazing week. Take care.